What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's done. Those of you that saw the teaser, my little stop motion, this has been a really cool kit. Beyond all the extra stuff that I did to it with the turbo exhaust and the body kit and stuff, the building of it and putting it together, wow, this has been an absolutely amazing kit. It tested me on so many different levels, and not in a bad way. I mean, I really thoroughly enjoyed it. All the way that it was engineered, the way it went together, everything. It was really cool. I made some mistakes. Yeah, I knew I was going to going into this. It's kind of why I did it this way. I have another one of these, and I wanted to learn. I wanted to know, what not to do in the future. And I definitely learned that. The idea was that I make this one a beat up race car and I don't have to worry about it being super clean. And it came out pretty darn cool. Pretty darn cool. The idea is that, we bought it brand new and took it to the track, and it's been on the track since from day one. I posted a picture in one of the groups, and somebody chimed in that this was wrong, that the hot and cold side were, I don't know, whatever. Don't care. Cool kit. If you want, whatever, you go out and get one. The instructions, I would definitely recommend paying attention to them. That's about it. I've got a slideshow of the decals, the process getting it to here, and then some finished pictures at the end. Thanks for watching. It's been fun. Got an unboxing for that coming soon. Enjoy.